We're building a global state using context useReducer. Why? Because for apps with multiple components changing shared data, managing state with just useState gets messy. Let's build a simple app where we can add and remove users using a global state. Inside the src folder, create a new folder, context/. In that folder, create 3 files: usercontext.js, useReducer.js, userprovider.js. Let's work on them one by one. In usercontext.js, import create context from React. Const user context equals create context. Export default user context. In useReducer.js, export const initial state equals users. Export const useReducer equals state action. Switch action.type. Case add user. Return .state users state.users action.payload. Case remove user. Return state users state.users.filter user equals action.payload. Default return state. Here, we define actions to add and remove users. Now in userprovider.js, import React useReducer from React. Import user context from /user context. Import useReducer initial state from ./useReducer. Function userProvider children. Const state dispatch equals useReducer initial state. Return user context.provider value state dispatch children user context provider. Export default user provider. This wraps our entire app with a provider that gives access to both state and dispatch. Now in app.js, import the provider and wrap your components. JSX import React from React. Import user provider from /context/user provider. Import user list from /components/user list. Import add user from component/add user. Function app return user provider div style padding 40px. Global user manager add user list. Export default app. Create a component/folder and inside it 2 files, adduser.js, userlist.js. In adduser.js, import React, useState use context from React. Import user context from context/user context. Function add user. Const name set name equals useState. Const dispatch equals use context user context. Const handle add equals if name.trim. Dispatch type add user payload name set name. Return. Div style margin top 20px name on change equals set name e.target.value. Button on click handle add style margin left add user button div. Export default add user. We use local state to store input and dispatch to update global state. In userlist.js, import React use context from React. Import user context from /context/user context. Function userlist const state dispatch equals use context user context. Return ul styles margin top 20px state.users.length no users added yet. State.users.map map user idx user button on clicking. Dispatch type remove user payload user style margin left 10px remove. Export default user list. This component reads global users from state and can remove them too. Open your browser and try it out. Type a name, click add user and see it show up in the list. Click remove and it disappears. This is global state in action. Any component anywhere can read and update this user list. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe. This is Code with me, helping you build real apps the right way. See you soon, coder.